Ed and I have been working together for a little over 22 years. He was actually the person who kind of helped me decide to come to Las Vegas and to practice law.
What really inspires me about Ed is how much he gives back. It's really important to him to be part of the community, to give to the community. He encourages all of our attorneys to take pro bono. It's always been a part of our practice. We take the hard cases, the cases that may not be easy to place, that may have long-term complex litigation. He's always wanted to help people, and I think he's always made that a central focus of what he does.
I was 19 years old. I had just had my first kid, and I was in the process of leaving a pretty tumultuous relationship. I needed help with a divorce, custody, and then that ultimately led to a termination of parental rights. At the time, I was an unemployed single mom just trying to protect myself and my son. I didn't have the financial means to obtain legal representation, and so I was desperately in need of support.
We've always tried to make it a point, and Ed especially, of making sure that our pro bono clients understood that they're our clients just like any other client.
I was never made to feel like my case was a burden or that it was less important just because I didn't have the financial means to obtain legal representation. His generosity ultimately made a life-changing impact on me. And I just think his commitment to helping others is extraordinary. So
he wants people to be heard. He wants them to be seen. He wants them to have their day and their fair shake. From a personal level, my sister and I were so lucky to have him in our lives. And I don't like to cry on camera, but I think we were so lucky to have him in our lives. And I think from a professional standpoint, I could never have been the attorney I am, or probably even gone into family law without his inspiration and seeing from him just how important it is and how much good you can do into the world in doing what we do.
After the resolution of my case, I actually became interested in the legal field and started pursuing a career in that. Being able to obtain free services really gives people a chance to, or an opportunity to protect themselves. Being able to reestablish my foundation and start rebuilding some of the things that I needed to, I couldn't have done it without him.
Congratulations, Ed, on your recognition for this award of the Attorney of the Year and Attorney of the Year for the last 25 years. It's so well deserved. You've been such a great friend and a great mentor to me, and I can't thank you enough.
Ed, congratulations, not only for winning Attorney of the Year, but Attorney of the last 25 years. I don't know anyone that's more deserving of it. Thank you so much for the service that you've done for me, but for others as well.
Congratulations, Ed, on winning not just Attorney of the Year, but Attorney of the last 25 years. I am so proud of you. We are all so proud of you, and I can't think of anyone who could possibly deserve this more.